PNF hamstring stretching. So in this video, she's going to stretch the right hamstring. Notice how she has a strap looped around the foot. Additionally, a belt can be used or a large bed sheet. So she's pulling that right leg up, giving that right hamstring a bit of a stretch. The starting position is where she holds that stretch for around 20 to 30 seconds. When 20 to 30 seconds have elapsed, she's going to press that right leg down, contracting the right hamstring against the strap. When 10 seconds have elapsed, she's going to pull the strap up even further, increasing the stretch of the right hamstring, holding it for around 20 to 30 seconds. When the 20 to 30 seconds have elapsed, she's going to press the right leg down, keeping the leg straight against the strap at 10 to 25% of her strength. When 10 seconds have elapsed, she's going to pull the strap up even further, stretching that hamstring for 20 to 30 seconds. When 20 to 30 seconds have elapsed, she's going to press the leg down again against the strap in an isometric contraction. Notice there is no actual movement of the leg, it's just contracting against the strap. When 10 seconds have elapsed, he's going to pull the strap even further, increasing the stretch on the hamstring. Holding that for 20 to 30 seconds. When the time has elapsed, gently releasing the strap and coming out of it. This is done for 2 to 3 cycles, and then it is done for the opposite leg.